code, and today I am giving the demo of my app. Firstly, we create our account. Now we create our password. Now we do create. We use Firebase in this to store our email ID and password and with authentication. This is my logout button by which I got logout. This is sign in button. Now I can do the demo of signing. After signing, we comes to our home page, which is native dashboard. This helps to analyze your data by using the chatbot and the email analyzer. The email analyzer and the chatbot I will explain you in deeply after some times. Firstly, we have use web view in this. Welcome to native dashboard, AI powered insights tailored to your business insights. These apps give you a analysis by the recommendation role we role of CEO, marketer, analyzer, and product manager. For example, we use our chatbot. In the chatbot, we use WebView. We create this chatbot by using React and Flask. Frontend for React and Flask for backend. Our API key is connecting. Wait for few seconds. Now our backend is connected. Now we choose CEO, marketer, product lead, analyst, by which through you want to get analysis of your data. I choose product lead. This is our dashboard of our data. It is dummy. Now we start. Now we ask anything. What is investment in 2025? We use Gemini API key in this. This is the summary given by the Gemini API key to our app. As a product, this we can also give the response through speaking. We can change the language also. I choose Hindi now. Now our chatbot is give response in Hindi. Namaste. Namaste. Hindi. Our response also user friendly. If the user choose any language, the response will get in their preferred language. We can also speak. We also give the input data, by which we will get the summary of the input data and also got the dynamic graph structure. By this way, this is our chatbot enhance native AI. Now we go to our email analyzer. In this, I have one note. You have to use my email ID. Due to I don't have paid version of the REST API, by which the REST API helps to email to the send email to the users. You can use your dummy data to use this. For this, I will explain. Now I will enter my email ID. You also use this email ID. Name my Paradkar. You can choose any on this analyst. What is my profit in this data? I choosing my dummy data. I created this from ChatGPT. Now these data and analysis go to my email like this, in which by starting this you will get weekly summarizer and weekly dynamic data and analysis of your data weekly. For example, I will show you my email. Now you see I will get a mail from my email analyzer. This is the analysis 1 minute ago. Hello, my Paradkar enable is created. It's give all analysis of my data according to the market trends and the futuristic goals. And I ask what is the profit. Then the profit is given by the AI analyzer. This is my AI analyzer. Now we go to our app. Now this is my app, which is built using WebView, Flutterflow, React, and many other stacks. By this app, you can analyze your data in trending market and got a summary way in analysis and visual responsive dashboard. Thank you.